Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. It's good to see you after so many months. Actually, I was busy in my industrial training from Radisson to Glen. And today's recipe is going to be a bit different as we love pizza. So if it's made in Indian style, so today's recipe, as you have gone through the title before, chicken makhani pizza. So let's give an Indian twist to some overseas food. Thank you. So let's check out what are the ingredients that we need for my recipe. So for this video, I'll be making the makhani gravy. For that, we need water, the base, some amount of onion. It's one medium onion, 8 to 9 cloves of ginger, and garlic of 2 inch, cashew nut of 2 tablespoons, Kashmiri red chili powder, and normal red chili powder, and the main thing, the chicken. We need to cut into thin not, it's a bit thick strips like this. So let's see how to make our recipe. Turn on the range, add water, then I'll be adding the onions. One medium sized onion I am using here, and I'll be adding the ginger, garlic, as well as the cashew nuts. The flame should be on a bit high, not on simmering. Then I'll be adding here the Kashmiri red chili powder, full. It's about 2 tablespoons, as we need the bright red color in the makhani gravy. We'll be adding here the tomatoes, which I have diced, and also add the chili powder of 2 teaspoons. I'm sorry I missed that. Add some salt, give it a quick stir, and let it to boil. Slowly, the tomatoes will get a mashy texture, as well as the onions and everything in the pan out there. The gravy will also reduce like this. Then we will take in a blender and blend it into a smooth and nice paste. Add butter of 1 tablespoon and some white oil. If you are not that much of health conscious, then you can add only the butter. I have blended the mixture. It's totally a creamy texture, and I have put it in the pan. Give it a nice stir. The flame should be on low, as makhani gravy is basically a creamy textured gravy, which is having the name came from only the texture. Makhani, it means a creamy texture. It's also richened by using cream, butter, and the cashew nut also gives a nice body to the gravy. I'll be stirring it continuously on a low flame. So basically what we will be doing is we will keep on frying it, stirring it until it releases oil. Once it releases oil, we'll be adding the salt, the seasonings, then we'll be adding the chicken and everything. So let it release some oil. We'll wait for a couple of minutes or more than 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it started releasing oil. Now it's time to add the chicken, which is I have taken out from a boneless piece. Nice thick strips, not too thick, preferably. Mix them nicely so that the chicken gets coated with all the masalas. Give them a nice toss to mix all the ingredients nicely. After then, when the chicken is properly cooked, then we will be adding here some water as per the gravy we need. I'm using here normal water, you can use warm water, it will give more taste. Incorporate them well, let the chicken to get a boil. Add water as per the gravy you require, I repeat. because this is the one thing that I'll be using it as a sauce. I will spread it over, then the topping and everything will be there. I think my chicken is done. Now it's time to add the other ingredients. I'm using here the Shahi Garam Masala of half a teaspoon, fresh cream, then stir it nicely. I've added here 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. You can use more as per your preference. Give it a nice stir. Yes, this is the texture I was looking for. I'll be using it as my pizza sauce. This is my pizza bread. I'm taking here, you can get it from a supermarket. It's already processed one. This one is the processed cheese cube. And this is Shahi Garam Masala powder. So what I'll be doing is, I'll be taking the gravy as a sauce and I will spread it all over the pizza base. Spread it nicely. And don't use too much, because then it will make the pizza base soggy. It will not get cooked. Now top it with the chickens from the gravy. Spread them nicely. This is the reason why I kept chickens into long strips. Top it with some Shahi Garam Masala powder. Sprinkle all over. Now it's time to add the kasturi methi, which I have already broiled and crushed. Spread them evenly. And it's the time to add cheese. I will be using here a processed cheese cube. Spread them all over nicely. Yeah, so now I'll be taking a baking tray and I will grease it nicely with some white oil. Take a bit oil, don't take too much. And I'll be placing the pizza over the baking tray. And it's time to bake. Put it in the oven, which I have. This is a OTG oven. You can also use a microwave oven. I have placed it on 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes, as I will be using here a ready-made pizza base. It's too hot and it looks too delicious. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos, and do like the channel. And please don't forget to share this wonderful recipe with your friends.